Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, welcome to another video. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a tractor. Fun fact, my son is obsessed with tractors, still is. He's 6, nearly 7, and his grandparents have a farm, and for as long as I can remember he has always loved tractors. So this was another request from him. So I'm going to show you how to draw this one, and let's get started. So I always start with the wheels just because it helps you ground where the tractor is on the page. So we'll start with this smaller wheel first. So we'll draw the centre. And then you're going to draw the other one, but you're going to draw this centre wheel here. Sorry, this centre of the wheel here. We're going to draw slightly up a little bit higher than this one. And a bit bigger too. Like that. Now we'll draw the outside tyre. And then for this one, you'll notice that the big back tyres on the back wheel of a tractor, they have these little knobby bits which help them grip if the ground's really wet or slippery or muddy. So we're going to draw those. So to draw those, I sort of start with like one up here. And you sort of want to draw like the top of a rectangle, but don't finish it. And then you're going to start curving. Sort of keep going. Every time you draw a little bit more of the circle, go back around and just keep going, sort of following to create a bit of a border around your centre circle. That makes sense. And then I reckon I can fit one more in. Done. Next bit we'll draw is the steps going up, and they sort of go in between, more towards the back of this the big back tyre. Just a long skinny rectangle, like so, standing upright, and then you're going to draw one line, two line, and they're the steps to go into the cab up here. Now each one of these wheels has a, now what are they called? I've just had a mental blank, but like a wheel arch, like a mudguard wheel arch. Mudguard, that's probably the best way to do it. Where I'm really going well. I recorded a video before and I forgot what things were called, so I'm doing really well today. So one at the front, and then you're going to draw another one over the back wheel coming towards the stairs, like so. They just stop all the mud flicking up and getting the cab all dirty, or getting the farmer dirty so you can't see out his window, which you don't need when you're busy working on a farm. So now we'll draw the rest of the top half of it. So we're going to sort of bring it all together. So we'll start at the bottom. So we're going to draw this part in here. And this is sort of a nudge bar. Draw that at the front here, so the tractor bumps into anything. It's going to be we're going to come up, and we're going to curve around and go to probably about there, sort of like end of this mudguard here. We're going to draw a headlight. Now if I'm going too fast, guys, don't forget you can pause, catch up, and then press play again. This is the funnel, so this is like the exhaust of the tractor. This is where all that smoke comes out of when the tractor's running. And these lights here are like the airflow into the radiator of the tractor. I'm just going to draw like 3 or 4 really long now we're going to draw the cab. So you're going to come up, oh actually no, I take it back. We're going to draw this back bit, so that's a headlight there. So just above the end of this mud flat, wow, if anyone actually knows the proper terminology, I should know this. Rear headlight, and then you're going to come up to create the sides of the cab, and then across the top you're going to so now they usually have like a little window at the back. Your tractor is lucky enough to have a cab, and then tractors have cabs. Sealed cabs I should say. And then you're going to do the main window, which kind of comes a little bit further down than that one, and then it follows up with the line here and joins back up again. Done. I think that's everything. Oh no, hang on, we've got to join this bit, that bit there. And you have drawn a tractor. Well done. Now you can colour it in. And we're done. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. As always, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do. It helps me so much. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.